Corinthians 4. Let a man so account of us, as of the ministers of Mashiach, and stewards of the mysteries of YAHUAH. Moreover, it is required in stewards that a man be found faithful. But with me, it is a very small thing that I should be judged of you, or of man's judgment. Yea, I judge not my own self. For I know nothing by myself, yet am I not hereby justified? But he that judges me is Yah. Therefore, judge nothing before the time, until YAHUAH come, who both will bring to light the hidden things of darkness, and will make manifest the counsels of the hearts. And then shall every man have praise of Yah. And these things, brethren, I have in a figure transferred to myself and to Apollos for your sakes, that you might learn in us not to think of men above that which is written, that no one of you be puffed up for one against another. For who makes you to differ from another? And what have you did not receive? Now, if you did receive it, why do you glory, as if you had not received it? Now ye are full, now ye are rich, ye have reigned as kings without us, and I pray ye did reign, that we also might reign with you. For I think that Yah has set forth us, the apostles last, as it were appointed to death, for we are made a spectacle unto the world, and to angels, and to men. We are fools for Mashiach's sake, but ye are wise in Mashiach. We are weak, but ye are strong. Ye are honorable, but we are despised. Even unto this present hour we both hunger and thirst, and are naked, and are buffeted, and have no certain dwelling place, and labor, working with our hands. Being reviled, we bless. Being persecuted, we suffer it. Being defamed, we entreat. And we are made as the filth of the world, and are the offscouring of all things unto this day. I write not these things to shame you, but as my beloved sons, I warn you. For though ye have 10,000 instructors in Mashiach, yet have ye not many fathers. For in Mashiach YAHUSHA I have begotten you through the Besorah. Wherefore I beseech you, be ye followers of me. For this cause have I sent unto you Timotheus, who is my beloved son, and faithful in YAHUAH, who shall bring you into remembrance of my ways, which be in Mashiach, as I teach everywhere in every assembly. Now some are puffed up, as though I would not come to you. But I will come to you shortly, if YAHUAH will, and will know, not the speech of them which are puffed up, but the power. For the kingdom of YAHUAH is not in word, but in power. What will ye? Shall I come unto you with a rod, or in love, and in the ruach of meekness?